Well, first up today is this beautiful EP3 with a big gay wing. Yep, this one's having inlet manifold, throttle body, fuel rail, and then Hondavert map. So I'm sure we're going to get some lovely power out of this one. But it is very, very, very nice. So when our Jason finally arrives to work this morning, we shall get cracking. I shall take some photographs, and then obviously we'll roll on the dyno and we'll get some power out of it. So good morning everyone, speak to you in a minute. Well, she's made it up onto the dyno and the Skunk 2 Ultra is fitted. Looks lovely. Obviously, we've got a bigger, newer Teguar intake pipe. So first up, stock power runs to see what power she's making, and then we'll go with the Hondavert ECU and start tuning the data logging and going for it. So yeah, here we go. So there she is, looking pretty. Can't see the big gay wing really in this photo, but I'm sure I shall show you in a moment. Okay, so Richard has installed the Hondavert after our initial base run, making sure that everything was healthy. And now, because the Hondavert ECU is in, we can now start data logging and mapping. There we go, tried something a little bit different, haven't we, Rich? I don't think we've ever been on screen at the same time. Oh yes, we have once where we were discussing.
What, you're trying to suggest that people don't think that we're two different people?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. We were on screen once when we were discussing Jason having a poo.
Possibly.
That was the only time, I think. Talk me through this one, Rich. So basically this EP3 is coming today and you've fitted a Skunk 2.
Well, young Jason has
fitted a Skunk 2
We'll
Ultra.
hop along.
Sir Limsalot, as he is called this week. Yeah, so inlet manifold on it. We've done different throttle body, or a large throttle body from Teguar. Different throttle position sensor, soon to match with the throttle body. Yeah.
It's got a 2.5-inch exhaust on it. Tegura intake box, 4-to-1 manifold, obviously decat, and we're
tactical racing fuel rail.
Oh, tactical racing fuel rail and fuel gauge, and then we finished on 240 brake with a map on Hondavert.
Yeah, that's 200 at the wheels, 240 brake horsepower. Yeah, it's amazing on Hondavert. So there you go, another one in the bag. This one was fairly plain sailing. It's a nice car. It's in black. It's got a big gate wing on it.
Yeah, this made power real easy. This is, I could sit and do these all day.
Good stuff, mate.
225 is standard form, and then mapped up.
It makes me miss mine. It makes me miss my EP3. But yeah, good stuff. Well, let's go and have a look at the graph. So here we are at the graph of the computer, and as you can see, we've got the red line before as it came in. Now obviously, as it came in is after we fitted the inlet manifold and uprated throttle body. But that is before we start mapping, and then obviously the blue line is after. And as you can see, massive dramatic gains in the mid-range, some peak power as well. And today, we finish on 240 brake horsepower, which is awesome. 200 at the wheels is always a good target to achieve. So yeah, there we go, fantastic. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Indeed.
Yes. What are you doing, Jason? What are you doing? What are you following me around with the spanner for?
It's not smaller than you, so watch it.
Oh, okay. You don't want to talk to me about it? No. Okay, see you later, guys.
Life moves pretty fast.